Good evening. Today I'm going to talk to you about tornadoes. So first, what is a tornado? A tornado is a rapid rotating column of air and clouds that touches the ground. It forms severe thunderstorms. So when there's a tornado, there's a lot of thunderstorm. It is often visible by a funnel cloud. So it's like a tube. This is the ground. It is a small tube here, but here it keeps getting bigger, bigger, bigger until it reaches the sky. That's a funnel. It's a funnel cloud. Moving on to how tornadoes, as you know, tornadoes are giant rotating of air and clouds that causes a lot of thunderstorm, but you need to know how they form. If a tornado forms, it has to require warm, moist air colliding with cold, dry air. The wind shear creates a horizontal rotation, so the air makes a horizontal rotation, and then the updraft tilts and intensifies the rotation. So the draft makes the spinning even more intense, and then eventually that spinning sucks up nearly everything: dirt, clouds, many things. And then eventually the funnel cloud is strong enough, it will reach the ground. So if you have, there's a lot of tornadoes. The tornado levels is from level 0 to level 5. These are called the Fujita scale or the EF scale. First is EF0, or light damage from 65 to 85 miles per hour wind. Moving on is EF1, with a moderate damage of 86 to 110 miles per hour. EF2, considerable damage, is 111 to 120 miles per hour. EF3, severe damage of 136 to 165 miles per hour. Devastating damage from 166 to 170 miles per hour. Finally, the most dangerous one, EF5, with incredible damage, it is 200 plus miles per hour. So now that is the 5 levels of tornadoes. Moving on to the final part, the tornado safety tips. So if there's a tornado near you, you should seek shelter in a basement or interior room. Stay away from windows, protect your head. If you're outside, find a low-lying area or a ditch. Avoid cars or mobile homes because they can get sucked up by the tornado. Thank you for listening.